Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TLRY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. From a disclosure standpoint, I don't own any shares right now, but I did trade this one today, and I do plan on watching it and trying to trade it tomorrow, so I'm not sure if I'm supposed to disclose that or not, but there you go. So right now, I don't own anything, but that could change tomorrow. I am looking to potentially trade it. So these are the levels that I've talked about in the past, and that continue to play out and pertain to the chart. Right now the main one is this level of resistance right here, and I realize this means a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos, but if you have, then hopefully you remember me talking about time and time again right here around this $87 mark, and you can see that actually the price was able to break up above it, but then the final 30 minutes right here, the price fell back below it. So 87 cents, still that stubborn area of resistance going forward. So that remains, that key level to keep an eye on. In the event the price can push up through there, then I'm just going to use this red line for now. Then, I don't think it would be very shocking at all to see the price potentially go up to right around the $90 mark and give that range of the chart another test again. But one step at a time. And the first step is, getting back up above 87. But what's really, caught my eye, and I've said in the past, none of this is, I'm not trying to come across like I've discovered things that nobody else notices, but what's caught my eye and the eye of many other traders is now the price is sitting right here at that purple line, which on my chart denotes the 50 period simple moving average, a very important level within the world of charts. And, the question on my mind, and like I said, I'm sure plenty of other people's, is that level going to hold? If it doesn't, then it would not be shocking at all to see the price take a drift back downwards to right around the $77 mark. Now, am I saying that would occur within the matter of an hour? I'm not saying that. But, just from a charting perspective, this kind of would put it in, a general no man's land where that could potentially be a case as a long setup down around that area. And I would definitely be interested in that. I mean, you look at the amount of times the price has bounced from right around the $78 mark, including, was down there and then got the gap up this morning. So that's just another time the price has bounced from that general vicinity. So that is definitely an interesting area on the chart, and one that I think could very well be tested again if that purple line level there again, the 50 period cannot hold. So there's going to be the levels that I'm keeping an eye on going into tomorrow. But yeah, great looking chart, fun one to trade, very volatile. So let's see how this one continues to play out. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.